Manguttathil and all.
You
So,
can't say UDF is facing because a person who is not in the party, we cannot say that he is in the UDF or he is in Congress because we have suspended him. And we have already said that law will take its own course. So whatever law will take, we are standing for. And I don't want to comment on a person who is suspended from the party.
that will not be a problem for.
No, I don't think so.
And Shabarimala issue is a major.
Yes, that is what I have said, that CPM party has made lot of planning. What kind of planning? How they can take the youngsters, the DYFI people from the back door, giving them job from the back door, not from the front door. How in the corporation there is huge kind of corruption happening in the tendering process. How they can give their own people. So these are the schemes they are doing, but not thinking about the public, that how waste management can be done. In Brahmapuram, what happened, we all have seen how it got fire, and then it was pollution all over. So it is some concrete things, and they are thinking again. You are saying the same question. I will also repeat the same way. The scheming is different for their own party, for their own sake, not for the people of Kerala. So people's vision we are bringing.
CPM alleged that the Congress and the BJP have undercurrents and some kind of.
Give one example. Give me one example from our top leader Mallikarjun Kharge, from our top leader Rahul Gandhi to the ground worker. You cannot show any point. You cannot show any kind of even, I will not say open or tacit understanding between Congress and BJP. It can never happen because ideologically we are different, with different mindset. But here Pinarayi, I have seen Pinarayi Vijayan government and the Chief Minister have many occasions. They have handshaked with each other, and BJP is more comfortable helping this LDF government, but they are very critical about UDF. So it proves that there is no tacit understanding between UDF and BJP. There is obviously a tacit understanding between the LDF and BJP.
Okay, do you think that Kerala Congress, the Congress in Kerala will be a model for the entire nation?
With the model, I will not say model, but yes, the vision, because Priyanka Gandhi is also a member of parliament from Kerala, and earlier it was Rahul Gandhi. So they have actually, from their heart, they have connected with people of Kerala. So they are very positive about whatever they think about Kerala also.
Thank you so much. രാജേഷ്, ഇതാണ് ഇവിടെ ദീപാദാസ് മുൻഷിയാണ് നമ്മളോട് സംസാരിച്ചത്. നിരവധി പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഇതിൽ രാഹുൽ മാങ്കൂട്ടത്തിൻ്റെ വിഷയം കോൺഗ്രസിൽ നിന്ന് രാഹുലിനെ പുറത്താക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് ഇനിയൊരു കോൺഗ്രസിൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ UDFൻ്റെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നമേ ആയി മാറുന്നില്ല. ഇതൊരു സെമി ഫൈനലാണ് തദ്ദേശ സ്വയംഭരണ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിലേക്കുള്ള തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. വരുന്ന നിയമസഭാ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പിൽ വലിയ ആത്മവിശ്വാസത്തോടെ നേരിടും എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഒപ്പം തന്നെ നിരവധി ഈ കോൺഗ്രസ് BJP ബാന്ധവത്തെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള CPMൻ്റെ ആരോപണങ്ങളെയൊക്കെ തന്നെ ദീപാദാസ് മുൻഷി എതിർക്കുകയാണ്. എന്തായാലും ഇവിടെ ഒരു ദേശീയ നേതാവ് തന്നെ ദീപ്തി മേരി വർഗീസിൻ്റെ ഈ പ്രചരണ പരിപാടിയിൽ നേരിട്ട് എത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. രാജേഷ്.